Morning, everyone. It's about 8:35, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 374, and please remember to hit the subscribe and the like buttons. Okay, so yesterday we had PPI, today we have CPI, and the CPI numbers are quite similar to yesterday's PPI numbers. CPI for the month was up 0.6%. That was versus a up 0.3, and ex food and energy, it was the same, up 0.6 versus an expected up 0.2. So these are very hot numbers. As I've been saying for months on end, in fact, for a year, there is plenty of inflation. All you have to do is go food shopping to find it. So the big news last night, was the Kamala Harris news. Unimpressive, no big surprise, exactly who most people thought it would be. So that's not really affecting our markets at all. Asia was mixed and Europe was up, and we are looking at an up opening of about 250 in the Dow, 21 or 22 in the S&P, and about 85 in the NASDAQ. These were all a little bit higher. I think I saw the Dow up 295 and the NASDAQ up 94. So that's about where we are. The Tesla 5-for-1 stock split is dramatically helping the stock. It's trading at 1466, which is up 92. And on the vaccine front, Moderna is getting another $1.5 billion from the government to produce its vaccine, produce doses of its vaccine, even though there is none. Also, kind of interesting, Dick Durbin, the Democratic representative from Illinois, was on railing about the president and how we have to have Biden, and, all well and fine. Mr. Durbin ought to go home and do something about the mess that is Illinois and Chicago in particular. Cellular biomedicine, CBMG, currently trading 1947, up 647. They are doing an LBO. Management is taking the company private at 1975, but there is a 30-day go shop. What that means is they can shop around and see if there are any better offers. And Boeing is up 390 again this morning, and that's in the face of the numbers that they put out, which were July 52 cancellations, year-to-date deliveries 74 planes, and roughly a decrease in their backlog of over 836 down to 4496. That's still a nice backlog to have, but it's going fast. And also yesterday, they were talking about the number of these planes, especially 737 MAXs, that are parked all over the country, and the fact that the airline industry has probably 850 of these planes in different locations, all that will have to be tested and maintained before they can fly. Not that there are that many people flying. Okay, so the biggest news, I think, was this sell-off yesterday and then again last night in the gold. I said that we were going to have a pullback. I did not see this size pullback coming, but last night we hit 1874, and we came all the way back from down 60 to right now we're down $6. and I'm assuming that the CPI stuff is going to help. In any event, that's your opening comment, and I'll be back later. Don't forget to subscribe.